mobile phone. Mobile phone is one of the things you have to have your mobile phone because it's 21st century. Is it joke or real? Technologies are going more advanced, satellite, more wireless internet, and more robotic, artificial intelligence things will coming in our lives. Our next generation will be more advanced and they get more amazing gadgets. So in this age of period, if we are not availing these opportunities and enjoy and connecting with people, connection, attachment is wonderful to a people, and love and share care with the people is amazing. So keep use mobile phone and have a smartphone and connect to the YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and other platform and share with your family and friends. So and learning platforms to upgrade something that is more important as a digitally literacy and digitally write your name and learn to ask those things that is more important. So let's move to the next video. Thank you.